Arriving in the city of Ganja, first Vice President Mehriban Aliyeva and Vice President of the Hyder Ali Foundation Layla Aliyeva visited the monument to the nationwide leader erected in the center of the city. Head of the City Executive Authority, Niyazi Bayramov, provided information about the improvement works carried out in Ganja in recent years. Mehriban Aliyeva met with representatives of Regional Development Public Union. Then, First Vice President of Azerbaijan and Layla Aliyeva visited Imamzadeh religious complex. It was stated that following the restoration work carried out in the complex, based on executive order and instructions issued by President Ilham Aliyev, the flow of pilgrims from the entire Muslim world to this historical monument dating back to the 8th century started. Here, the Holy Quran was presented to Mehriban Aliyeva and Layla Aliyeva. First Vice President Mehriban Aliyeva met with those who came to visit Imamzadeh complex. Then, visiting the secondary school number 18, Mehriban Aliyeva was informed that the last reconstruction in the school dated back to 1988, and currently this educational facility needs major overhaul. The school, with a capacity of 640 pupils, now houses 795 pupils and a faculty made of 56 teachers deal with their education. Out of 60 pupils who graduated the school in 2017-2018 academic year, 20 were admitted to institutes of higher education. Closely familiarizing herself with the classrooms, Mehriban Aliyeva was informed that following the major overhaul, the level of education will improve and the school will be one-shift school. First Vice President gave relevant instructions for the study of the existing situation and commencement of urgent renovation works in the school. Within the framework of the visit, First Vice President also came to the orphanage in Ganja. Currently, the construction of a new building for this orphanage is underway. Mehriban Aliyeva got acquainted with the facility and met with little ones. Having sincere conversation with the kids, the First Vice President inquired about the living and education of children in the orphanage. This facility has been functioning since 1997 and underwent major renovation at the initiative of the Hyder Ali Foundation in 2012. The two-story building features 4 bedrooms, offices for psychologists and doctor, computer and recreation rooms. In addition, there are kitchen and dining hall and a gym. In the orphanage, with a capacity of 80 children, currently 68 children receive education, of which 40 are boys and 28 are girls. Within the framework of the visit, the First Vice President visited Mir Jalal Pashayev's home museum. It was noted that the Museum and Scientific Literary Research Department operating under the museum was established to commemorate the 100th anniversary of outstanding scholar, writer and scientist Mir Jalal Pashayev. The passport, orders and medals belonging to the writer were presented to the museum, which had been commissioned in 2007. Currently, these items are among the 300 most valuable exhibits of the museum. Here, the Scientific Literary Research Department started its activity in 2009, and from its very first day it has become the visiting venue of the people, students and pupils. Mehriban Aliyeva also visited the kindergarten number 32. In the kindergarten, with a capacity of 280 children, currently 75 kids receive education in 4 groups. The staff of 20 people work to ensure that children are brought up healthy, knowledgeable and patriotic. The training and education process aims to ensure that children are familiarized with the environment, provides knowledge on primary education, and teaches communication rules and protects physical and intellectual health. It was stated that this building was constructed in 1985 and currently there is a need for major overhaul. Mehriban Aliyeva stressed the need for the reconstruction of kindergarten and nursery with quality in the shortest time. Then, arriving in one of the cultural and recreation parks of Ganja called Khan Baghi, Mehriban Aliyeva familiarized herself with the works carried out here. Meeting with representatives of the public, First Vice President of Azerbaijan stated that the social and economic development will continue to remain in the focus of attention. Representatives of the public expressed their gratitude for the attention shown to the development of Ganja.